Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and healthy and doing your work on time. So students, in this video we will do the topic of grammar, which is prepositions, right? It is chapter number 18 of your book. Okay, so preposition, students, when we talk about preposition, let's look what preposition actually means, right? When we talk about preposition, student, it is, when we talk about definition of preposition, it says short words which are used to show position, location, direction and time. It means what preposition tell? Preposition are those small words which tell us position, location, direction and time. प्रेपोजिशन वो छोटे वर्ड होते हैं जो हमें किसी भी चीज़ की पोजीशन बताते हैं, लोकेशन बताते हैं, डायरेक्शन बताते हैं या किसी भी इवेंट का टाइम बताते हैं, राइट? इट शोज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन इन अ सेंटेंस. ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन के रिलेशनशिप को शो करते हैं सेंटेंस में. इट कैन नेवर बी फॉलोड बाय अ वर्ब. ये कभी भी वर्ब के साथ फॉलो नहीं होते. वर्ब मीन्स एक्शन, right? They are always with noun or pronoun. Now it tells position, location, direction and time. I told you that. So हमारे prepositions क्या होती हैं? वो words जो हमें किसी भी noun या pronoun की position, direction, right, location और किसी भी event, उनसे related event का time बताते हैं, right? Now there are three kinds of preposition, students. Preposition of place and direction first. Second, preposition of time and date, and third, preposition of movement, right? So when we talk about these three kinds of preposition, let's do them in detail so that it will be more clear to you, right? So I'll again repeat three kinds. First is preposition of place and direction. Second is preposition of time and date, and third is preposition of travel and movement, right? So students, if you will look at your book, what it says, preposition, let's first see the example of preposition. Abhijit sat on a chair. Where Abhijit sat? On a chair. So it is telling us, right, that a relationship of noun with a chair, right? This pond abounds in fish. Abounds means in large number, right? So this pond has lots of fish. We are getting to know about this pond. Now let's talk about first type, preposition of place and direction. Now some prepositions are given here: in, into, at, on, for, over, above, under, below, beyond, down. And these are some of them. We have lot more, right? Some more are here. For example, among, between, in front of, behind, beside, near, along, through, sorry, to and towards. Now you know that these are the prepositions and this is what we have to remember. But what is more important, students, is to know their role and how they are used, right? Because if you don't know how you have to use them, then it will be always you will be confused, right, between them. So now let's begin with in. When we use in, students, will we tell something in a place or enclosure? It means कि जब हम किसी चीज़ की एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ना बताकर उसके आसपास का कुछ बताते हैं, राइट? किसी चीज़ के अंदर वो है या फिर किसी चीज़ के पास है. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. ही लिव्स इन इंडिया. नाउ ही लिव्स इन इंडिया, इट इज़ telling us the enclosure, or it is telling something in a place. It is not telling exactly where he or she lives in India, right? He lives in India. India बहुत बड़ा है. इंडिया में कहाँ पर रहता है? We don't know exactly, right? So that's why in talks about something in a place or enclosure, right? Now related to that, let's first talk about at. At talks about an exact place. जब हमें पता होता है exactly कहाँ पर कुछ है. He is at the door, right? She is at home. Exact place. Where is she? At home. This is the exact place. right? Now what example we did, he lives in India, right? Now he lives in India is something in a place, he lives at Sirsa in India. So Sirsa is exact place, right? So I hope the difference between in and at is clear. In talks about something in a place or enclosure, whereas at talk about exact place, बिल्कुल exact जगह जहाँ पर है, right? Now into means when going inside something, right? For example, the frog fell into the well, के अंदर frog कुएं के अंदर गिर गया, right? Into means going inside something, he went inside the pond. Now he came into the house, he went inside the house, right? So into is used to talk about going inside something, right? Now let's talk about next, on. We are talking about prepositions of place and direction, students. So we'll talk about the prepositions which are used for place and direction only, right? So now on is used above, right? कुछ भी चीज़ किसी चीज़ के ऊपर है but it is touching that, right? above but touching the object. above के लिए हमारे पास और भी बहुत सारे होते हैं. above exact is a itself is a preposition. above खुद एक preposition है. over preposition होती है, right? but on is used when it is above but touching something, जब वो किसी चीज़ को टच कर रही है, right? so touch वो कैसे करती है? for example, this book is on keyboard, right? so it is touching the keyboard, right? this phone, the phone is on the table, phone table पर है. or you can see this mouse, right? it is on the table, so it is touching the table, right? so on is used when कोई किसी चीज़ के ऊपर है but उसको touch कर रही है. so in that situation we use on. now for is used to point out, you know, something, use of something, कि वो किस चीज़ के लिए use हो रही है. for example, this place is for exhibitions. ये place किस लिए है, किस लिए use हो रहा है? prepositions के लिए, right? I brought these flowers for you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये फूल लेकर आई हूँ. so I brought these flowers for you. for whom? for you. so it is telling us that what is the use of these flowers? these are for you, right? so it talks or point out at use of something. I hope so far I am clear to all of you. now over and above, right? over and above, usually many students get confused in it, right? so now let's talk about them. over क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? over is vertically upwards. vertically upwards means in upper direction. for example, the fan is over means vertical direction हमारी क्या होती है? vertical direction हमारी ये होती है कोई भी चीज़ किसी चीज़ के ऊपर है, right? so but sometimes you can touch them and sometimes you cannot touch them. it is that situation, right? but what happen, कोई चीज़ ऊपर है but आप उसकी हाइट को मेजर कर सकते हो उस तरीके से, या फिर आपको पता है कि वो अपर डायरेक्शन में ऊपर, right? it talks about vertically upward direction. for example, there are clouds over the hills. hills के ऊपर इस पोजीशन में हमारे clouds हैं, right? so over is used when the noun or pronoun is in vertically upward direction, but above is used when it is horizontally upwards. horizontal क्या होता है? this direction is our horizontal, this is our vertical. something which is in this direction up is our over, and this, it talks about level, right? usually it talks about these things which are in level, which you cannot contact. above is used for those words which you cannot contact, cannot touch. stars are above the sky. we cannot touch stars, we cannot even touch clouds, but they are vertically upwards. we can see them in this direction. clouds are above the hill, but when we talk about stars, stars are in this direction in sky, right? now let's talk about more. by is used to near or next to something. किसी भी चीज़ के पास या फिर साथ में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग बाय द बस, मैं बस के पास खड़ा था या बस के साथ खड़ा था, राइट. सो बाय इज यूज टू टॉक अबाउट नियर और नेक्स्ट टू समथिंग. नाउ अंडर एंड बिलो, again students get very confused between under and below. Under is used students when it is below the surface of something, किसी surface के नीचे. The cat is under the table, right, वो table के नीचे है. Fine. Now below is lower. Lower means lower is also नीचे, but below होता है जब किसी surface के नीचे, lower something, ठीक है. For example this town is below sea level, right, तो मीन्स वो सी लेवल के नीचे है वो टाउन, राइट. सो इट इज़ लोअर देन समथिंग, किसी चीज़ से कम. और बिलो क्या होता है, किसी चीज़ के सरफेस के नीचे. टेबल है, टेबल के सरफेस के नीचे वो है, बट बिलो इज़ यूज्ड इन दैट सिचुएशन जहाँ पर वो किसी चीज़ से नीचे होती है, राइट. नाउ अक्रॉस, अक्रॉस इज़ यूजुअली यूज्ड व्हेन वी फॉर गोइंग अदर साइड ऑफ अ रिवर और रोड और समथिंग स्ट्रेट, किसी भी सीधी चीज़ के पार. अक्रॉस मीन्स पार. सो इट इज़ यूजुअली यूज विद रिवर और रोड, बट यूजुअली दे आर यूज विद रिवर और रोड और किसी चीज़ के सीधे. ही वेंट अक्रॉस द रिवर, वह नदी के पार गया. ही माई हाउस इज़ अक्रॉस दिस रोड, मेरा घर इस रोड के पार है, राइट. Now beside, beside is used when we talk about next to something, कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के बिल्कुल साथ है, right. So the car beside the cycle is mine, the car beside the cycle is mine, जो कार साइकिल के साइड में है वो मेरी है. So students, I'll just give you 2 minutes to revise it, then will talk, right. Till then you can look at the exercises given in your book so that it will be clear to you, or just revise it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. So students, we were talking about beside. Beside means which is next to something, किसी चीज़ के साथ में. The car beside the cycle is mine, जो कार के साथ में साइकिल खड़ी है वो मेरी है, right. By is used near to something and beside is used next to something. Now behind, behind means at the back of or outside of side which you cannot see, जो आपको दिख नहीं रहा है और किसी चीज़ के पीछे है, that is behind. Go behind that tree, right, means उस पेड़ के पीछे जाओ. तो behind means, or she is hiding behind the door, so you cannot see her, she is out of your sight, right. Now towards, in the direction of something. Towards is used to direct की और, means when you want to show or you want to point out at some direction or towards that direction, right, in the direction of something. We ran towards the museum, हम museum की और भागे, right. So we ran towards the museum means it is talking about in which direction we ran. We ran in the direction of museum. Now near, near is used for close to, when something is near you, when something is close to you. I live near PVR, मैं PVR के पास रहता हूँ, right. So it is close to PVR. Now up and down students, very simple. When motion towards higher place or position, किसी भी मोशन, कोई भी मोशन मीन्स एक्शन होना हायर प्लेस की तरफ और पोजीशन की तरफ. क्लाइंब अप द स्टेयर्स, इट इज़ एन मोशन. मोशन मीन्स अ एक्टिविटी विच यू आर डूइंग, सो यू आर डूइंग इट टूवर्ड्स you are where you are climbing up toward on the stairs, right. Now climb up the stairs, up, down, when you move towards a lower place, right. So get down of the car, कार से नीचे उतर जाओ, so means a motion will be there in lower position. Now between, between is used when we talk about someone or something in middle of two other things or person. कोई भी इंसान या चीज़ जो दो चीज़ों के बीच में है, दो चीज़ों के या दो लोगों के, right? That is between. Now when we talk about between, the cat is between the two boxes. Cat दो boxes के बीच में है, right? Now let's talk about along. Along is used when you know something in a line and from one point to another. कुछ भी एक चीज़ जो लाइन में है और एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक है. They are walking along the beach. वो बीच के साथ साथ चल रहे हैं, along, right? In front of. In front of means position facing someone or something. के सामने. They are standing in front of me. वो मेरे सामने खड़े हैं, right? So when something is in position which is facing someone or something. Now beyond. Beyond is which is farther at the point or at greater distance which is not in your reach, right? Which is at greater distance that you cannot reach. For example, beyond the sea, right? So which is something which is at greater distance which you cannot reach. To is a motion in a direction of a place. A motion, a activity, a movement in a direction of a place. किसी place की direction में आपकी motion. He went to college. वह college गया. कहाँ गया? College, right? So it talks about the motion and direction of place. Now among and between. Between is when someone and something in middle of two other things or person. Among is when someone is in middle of three or more things. दो से ज़्यादा, मतलब दो से ज़्यादा, तीन से ज़्यादा, तीन और उससे ज़्यादा. दो है तो between है, तीन और उससे ज़्यादा है तो among, someone or something, right? For example, she is beautiful among all, right? Or for example, we can say that, sorry, we are talking about place or direction. So this mall is best among all the malls, right? Now opposite, on other side. When something is on the other side, सामने भी नहीं, exactly. Opposite means दूसरी तरफ, right? Our house is opposite the mall. हमारा घर मॉल के सामने, मतलब सामने in the sense कि दूसरी तरफ है, right? So now last, in place of direction is from. It talks about from a point of place where journey or action start. जहाँ से journey या action start होता है, from वहाँ के लिए use होता है. He came from England. From where he came? It is talking about the point of his journey, where his journey began. So it is from England, right? So I hope students preposition of place and direction is clear to you. Still, if there is any problem, you can contact me. And to practice it, you have two exercises. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 in your notebook, in your grammar books. So practice them, right? So that it will be more clear to you. And I hope you'll be able to do them, right? So just do these exercises, and if there is any doubt, you can contact me. So thank you, students.